Oh,
crap. Sorry about that.
That was a nice kamikaze.
Dude, did you just hit every single one of them?
I think so.
Yep.
What's up? You?
Water. Oh no, watch the woods. Watch the woods. Watch your right. Watch your right. Civilian! The civilian! Let's move the civilian! Hey! Okay, guys on our right! Hey!
Sorry.
Where's medic at? Drive it! You good? Where's the medic? Where's he at? Right behind that box? Medic! Where you at? Hey! Alright. Look at my knee! 1, 2, 3, 4. Reloading! Hey! You're good. Drop. Go! Hey, hold on! I'm on your chin! Come on! Push it up! Push it up! Come on! What's up? Right up there! Friendly?
After the human.
Human! Human! Are you human? Stand behind you! Move up! Come on! Good kills! Hey, come on! Do a move! Humans and fire! Window! In the window! Guys, we need more humans! Come on! Humans coming in! Come on, humans! Get in there!
Guys!
Come on! Hey, come on, you guys. We gotta stack up, okay?
Are they in there?
They are in that shed.
Humans! Where are they? Get in here! Get in here!
Hey! Whoa!
Crap!
They're on that window. Where's the guy? Right here. Come on. I didn't get hit. Drag me. Somebody drag me. Go. Yeah. Reach around the corner and grab.
Where do I go?
You get hit. You drag. Somebody got cover on that window. You hit?
Jeez.
I'm hit. Hey, put your down with grenades. Come on, guys. I did.
Anybody up there? What is that smell?
No.
That's back. It's green gas.
Oh.
I don't know, but whoever that was, you did.
Good shot.
Chase.
They hurt.
Here's the thing.
No, the shays don't count.
I can't hit you from that window.
Buddy.
Are you human out there? Yo, we're zombie. All right, out there. Yo, we're zombie. All right.
I got hit. What do I do?
Fair enough.
Dead man coming out of the car!
Dead man coming out!
Dead man coming out! Dead man coming out! I got hit. Dead man coming out! Dead boy. Wait.
Here's
behind
over
there.
You guys go back.
Dumbass. I came out of the.
Not right next to my ear.
Hey, zombie. Oh, so we're at. Pop.
Just doesn't hear any fucking noise, you know, take home and move back.
So cute.
Yo, is anybody close up to that corner right there? How many spawns does zombies have?
Infinite. Yeah, they ain't dying.
Do we win if we hold it? No, we lose. We gotta get it in there.
Yeah, I got put in the shed.
That was a hit. Yeah, I got one.
There's a cameraman in here.
That man walking out.
That's all of us.
Dead man walking.
That's all of us.
Yeah, that's him.
It's game. All humans. There you go.
Ah, damn.
Is there anyone there?
Game! Game! He's on! That was intense.